Let's take a look how we kept it really simple today and focused on one market in particular today, and that was the crude oil market. You can see here that crude had some, this is the 1 hour time frame, guys, the crude oil market had some nice buy signals. We've been long in this phase with crude oil for a week or so, and then we had this lower low and lower highs. Now, we're only looking for long side trades in oil. The reason is we're matching up the daily time frame, okay? So if we got green on green, daily is green, then we're looking for green and momentum firing green down below here. Now, at 12 o'clock today, we've got this lovely pullback in here. Storyteller was really flat on momentum, and then we got the explosive move through the highs of that candlestick high and a massive candlestick. We literally went from $60.60 all the way up to $61.70. So a 100-point move in this 1 hour time frame. Now, crude oil here is green and up. So that was an absolute beautiful move. Focusing on oil was the key today. We've ignored silver, we've ignored gold because we're just stalling a little bit of the highs with those two markets, and I'm looking for some volatility in the gold and silver market over the next couple of days, most definitely. But that was the real move. Let's take a little look at the daily chart here on oil. Then we're going to look at natural gas because I think that could be on a nice bull market. Here's a daily chart of crude oil, and we had the nice buy signal back in January. And then we just continue to consolidate for a few days in here, and then we got some new green buy signals. Tracks are green, candlesticks are green, momentum trigger down here is green. So with oil, we're looking for the next target. We've hit 61.66. Next profit target on crude oil is 64.39. Now, crude is 3 weeks into a green pro trading system. Okay, so we could be on a big move in crude oil. Of course, that's no recommendation to buy or sell, but guys, crude could be starting something quite big. Let's look at natural gas now because we've been stalking that for a week or so. Here's the natural gas chart using IG index data here, and we've got this move down. It's been trending. We've gone into the red pro trend system, selling on red here. We got this lower lows and lower highs, and then suddenly we got a little bit oversold on the storyteller, turned up and then started pushing green here. Now, we've been looking for buy signals on this. We got that green buy signal. We accelerated higher up to first target. Now, look, what's happening today, guys, it's taking a bit of a rest. We're just pausing here on this little pullback. So what I'm looking for is, do we get just another day down, stay green? It's important that it stays green here. So if we get another day down, tracks are green, PTS is green, storyteller's green, all pointing up, which is great. Then I think that next move could be really strong. Okay, so just like these moves here on the left-hand side, this move here for a few days, and then we sold off. So we're sort of in this sort of consolidation area today. We've had the nice impulsive move, pullback happening. Let's see if we break above the highs of today's candlestick tomorrow and accelerate up into these higher prices here. So I think, you know, the natural gas, crude oil, I'm looking at these. We're in our trading room trading these, day trading these and swing trading these. We're keeping our eye on these markets, guys, for a big explosive, maybe even a big bull market. Natural gas looks very interesting indeed. We could see more upside on that, okay? And crude oil, most definitely focusing on that. It's a great market to trade crude oil. I remember trading it from $47 all the way up to $147 a while back, and it's just when it gets on a trend, it is a fantastic market to trade. It's been pretty sideways for the last few years, but now I can see that we could be getting on a really nice bull market. Of course, do your own due diligence. That is no recommendation to buy or sell. Hope it helps, guys. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Keep you updated with the swings on this market. If you're interested in the color method and live trading with us, guys, click on the link down below, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care now.